Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a thrift flip. I've never filmed anything like this. I've never really done anything like this. I used to be a dancer, so I sewed a lot of tutus and point shoes, so I'm pretty good with a needle and thread, but I don't know if I've ever actually used a sewing machine. I've definitely never sewed anything like fashion-y, just strictly like ballet costumes. So this should be interesting. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's just get started. This is the piece in question. I bought this dress at Buffalo Exchange in my hometown. We have Goodwill in Value Village, but they really like don't have anything ever. They typically don't have super cute stuff unless you really look, but we have Buffalo Exchange and they always have really good stuff. So I got this dress. I loved the color, I love the print, love the material, but it's a little bit of an awkward fit and I have a couple of ideas to make this into something really cute. Here's the dress at its full length. I actually really like it. I think it's super cute and I would maybe leave it like this, but I think it has the potential to be a lot cuter. I'm kind of thinking to go for a two-piece set, but the issue is that it's a little bit baggy right here, it's a little bit big, and then it's a touch long. Like, it's a cute length, but I feel like it could be kind of like up here and look really cute. So I think I kind of want to like make this whole top thing like with the little lace. Like, I want this to be the shirt, and then I think the skirt I'm gonna cut like right here. I have my pins here and I'm gonna start pinning it up. This dress fits me pretty good, but it definitely needs maybe an inch or so on either side. Another issue that I see myself having with sewing is that this dress has lining, which I don't really know how it's gonna work. I'm hoping it just like works out. And then also it's a zipper, like kind of in the back, but then the lace like goes over it. So I have to like make sure that all looks pretty. Feels good. I'll clean up these pins later when I can actually see. And then here, that seems about right. Okay, pretty good. 2 pins in. And then for the skirt, it's not bad. It like kind of fits, but I'll probably just do like 1 more pin in. I'm just gonna pin how short I want it to be. Yeah, I think that's all the pinning. I can totally see it as like a really cute little 2-piece set. I might do something with this extra little lace thing. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna take this off and get to sewing and cutting, I guess. I've never done this before. I'm just cleaning up the pinning a little bit. I measured how much I want it in. I'm going to be making my first cut. So I'm just gonna cut right along the line of the lace. I don't really know what to do about the zipper. I can't figure out if I should just cut the zipper off. I'm just cut it off and see what happens. Alright, I have the top part of the set. I feel like the skirt's gonna be the hardest because I have to sew it. I also have to take it in. And I also have to figure out if I want to do like a zipper or how I'm going to do that. All things that I've literally never done in my life before. Here's what I'm dealing with for the top. I want to maybe keep the lace here, but I also might just want to fold it under and just sew a really clean edge because it's kind of big, and if I sewed it under it would be like a perfect little bandeau tube top kind of look. Alright, this is the finished product. I'm really happy with it. There are some definite construction issues with like the zippers and things like that, but from far away I feel like it looks really cute. I especially like this top. I feel like it's actually something that I'll wear with jeans and stuff. I love that I added the lace right here. I think it really finishes it off nicely. The skirt's not my favorite. I don't know. It's not quite as I imagined it, and the lining ends up coming a bit high because it was supposed to be like a longer dress, and then I had issues with putting in the zippers. That was so hard. I've been working on this thing like all day. I'm really happy with my first venture into sewing. I feel like this one was really hard, like kind of figuring out hems and like edges and zippers. Like that was really challenging because it seems so much easier than it is. Not to mention using a sewing machine, that's incredibly difficult. And this dress was originally I think $9, and it's from a brand that I didn't recognize the name of, and it ended up turning into this really cute two-piece set. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the more thrifted clothing content. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye!